Fill in the inks. Turn on the power and close the clamp. Do the white ink circulation for around 30 seconds. Then you turn off. Long press this green button. Long press. The color inks will flow to the cartridge. Stop pressing until you can see the inks come out from here. Then you can stop pressing. And then you turn on the printer. Oh, wait. After finish this stir, you need to open the clamp. Then turn on the printer. The green light is flicking. You need to wait the green light stays on, which means the printer is standby. Then you can do head cleaning and nozzle check through our RIP software. These are the steps for the first time using. In the future, every time you use the printer, you just need to turn on the power and close the clamp. Do the white ink circulation and long press this for around 10 seconds to do the color ink stirring. Around 10 seconds. Then open the clamp. Turn on the printer to wait it to stand by, and then do head cleaning and nozzle check through our software. This is the steps for every time you use the printer. Okay.